Hello, welcome. And today we'll solve Killercoda CKAD scenarios. So this is the first scenario and kubectl context. View all context and current context. A kubectl context contain connections, information to a Kubernetes cluster. Different kubectl context can connect to different Kubernetes cluster or to the same cluster, but using different user or a different default namespaces. So list all the available kubectl context and write the output to this location. So here tips is also given. So what this scenario is doing. So this scenario is view all context configured in a kube config and save that in a list, save that listing to a file. So here what the tip is kconfig -h. So let's see what cube kconfig h is means. So I'll paste it. Oh, so it's giving you all the whatever the commands use. So but our useful command is config get context. So this is our describe one or many context. So this is our useful command. So here in solution also this is given. So kconfig context. So I'll copy this and paste it here. So there are three contexts are there and all point to the same cluster, which is Kubernetes. Only the namespace changes here, purple, yellow, and nothing. So now the final action required is to save this is in the output. So I'll copy and paste. So this is the redirect command, and if this is there, then it is the append command. So already discussed in shorts. So I recommend you to watch the shorts because this type of few interesting things are also there, and in post also this type of interesting things are there. So let's check whether the things, so validation is successful, and switch to the contact purple and save all the pods. Sorry, list all the pods. So again, what is the useful command? So I think this is the useful command. Set the current context in a kube config file. So we'll use context and context purple. This is so context purple, and then now k get pods. So pods are running. So let's check validation is successful. Now switch context to yellow and list the pod the same but with the yellow. So k get the pods. Now check again. So you have reached the end of scenario. So it's a very easy, but you have to you have to go through all the scenario. It is very interesting, and I also created many scenarios, so you can find here if you find neo-lab. So there are many scenarios, my scenarios also, and I'm continuously preparing scenario and will upload the same also. Earlier I have also created so many scenarios you can find with the new type of things, but they are not available right now. We'll create a fresh scenarios, and now thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet in another tutorial with a new context and the mock question also.